Hello everyone, greetings for the day. Welcome back to another tutorial on SQL. This is Srinath Mukamala and you are watching the latest tutorial on SQL. Today we are going to learn about SQL between operator. Between operator selects a value within a given range. The value can be a number, text or dates. And one more point, between operator is inclusive, means begin and end values are included. Let's go to the SQL and verify the same. See, I already created a table and I have inserted some values by using insert. You can see that values below. Now what I'll do, I'll put where condition serial number between 1 and 4. So what I'm telling here, I need values from 1 to 4 including 1 and 4. Let me run this now. See, we got values from 1 to 4. Now what I will do, I'll just copy this, just paste that one. I'm telling serial number not between 1 and 4. I'm telling I should not have from 1 to 4 including 1 and 4. So now if I run this, only 5 will be displayed. So we need to take care of text also, so we'll just do for text also. I'll copy this up to where and just I'll paste it here, where city, you can see where city between Chennai and Kochi. So what I'm telling, from Chennai to Kochi, give the details including Chennai and Kochi. I don't want Bangalore and Mumbai. So let me run this. I got from Chennai to Kochi. Now what I'll copy this. I'll just paste here. I keep not here and I'll run this. Let's see what will happen. See, we got Bangalore and Mumbai. I am telling I don't want from Chennai to Kochi. I need only from after that what is there. I think that's all for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, comment, share, and thanks for seeing the video. Bye.